Hi, this is Esmeralda using Screencast-O-Matic as a practice video, but this one will be my bucket list and a little bit about me. This first slide has pictures of me at my absolute favorite beach, which is Laguna. I've always had an interest in nature and enjoying Earth's natural beauty. I am especially in love with landscapes and sunsets. On my list of places to experience is the Horseshoe Bend, Zion National Park, Moraine Lake, cherry blossoms in Japan, Bora Bora, Kauai, Vermont, the Blue Lagoon, and the Northern Lights. This picture here is again taken at Laguna. And the places I've already checked off from my bucket list are Yosemite National Park, Italy, Sequoia National Park, Grand Canyon National Park, and Cancun. In the next few slides, I'll be discussing the top 3 from the ones that I've already visited and the top 3 that I really want to visit. My first one that I'll be talking about is Yosemite National Park. This one I recently visited this summer for the first time, and oh my gosh, I'm just mind blown at the amount of beauty in this place. I definitely recommend. I am very into camping. When I was younger, my family members have always exposed me to the outdoors and learning how to, I guess, survive in the outdoors, and I really like being out with nature and kind of disconnecting from the, city world, I guess, and technology. The next one, number 2 on my list is Cancun. I went to this place, what is it called? Ixcaret, it's called. And it's kind of like a theme park, you would say, but it's natural. And it had all these amazing things that you see in this picture. And I really enjoyed it because, again, I love the outdoors, and it had in the middle picture jeeps that you can ride. You can swim in the lagoons and such, and I love the water and the beach. My third is Italy. I went to Italy last summer, I believe. Yes, and it was my first time. I got to go with my high school choir, and I was lucky enough to be able to travel to different places in Italy. I honestly forgot the ones that I had went to, but I know I went to Venice, Assisi, Rome, Vatican City, Florence. Here are just a couple of pictures of my favorite moments. So my number 1 place, I have 2 actually, Bora Bora or Kauai, that I'd like to go next, hopefully before I pass away, are these places because I haven't really been to an island, and I love waterfalls, and I'm just obsessed with all the rainbows that I've seen online, and it just seems so adventurous and outdoorsy, like just being able to live on an island and basically go to the beach every single day because you literally live on the beach. And I don't know, it just seems like such an amazing lifestyle to be there. I'd actually probably want to live there. This next one is Vermont. This is another place I'd probably want to live. I am in love with horses and the season fall, and it's just amazing when it's fall here because all of the trees are bright colored orange and red. I mean, some of the pictures in here I probably edited a little more saturated, but this is basically how it looks like. And I'm also a farm type of girl. I had my own chickens at one point, and I literally have 5 dogs right now, and I would love to live on a farm with all these animals. I'm an animal lover, and again, I would love to be around nature. My next place is the Northern Lights. like I've said before, I love enjoying the sunsets, and this is kind of similar to a sunset in the way that all the beautiful colors are in the sky, and it just looks so ethereal and unique. And I know it happens pretty much only in Alaska during a certain time, and I think it'd be really cool to experience this. Also, I've never been to Alaska, and there's many other amazing places and things to see there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a little bit about me. And here are a few other pictures that kind of depict my personality with nature.